promise. So with Loft, you have to have multiple sketches to start out with. And so usually we'll start here, create another one, and you can have as many as you want. Have as many cross sections as you want. They don't have to be parallel to each other. They can be at different angles or anything like that. But kind of the basics is a loft goes from one shape to another shape. So I can start down here with a rectangle, and then on this profile, have a circle, and then on this one, have polygon. When I go to Loft, I'm going to go from one shape to the next shape to the next shape. Ta-da. That's basically it. You can control kind of how it's doing it by moving the control points of how it's mapping from the corners between. So if you have things that have the same number of corners, it works a little better. So you're going from 4 corners to 6. Now it has to put in some midpoints and things. And depending on where it picks those, you can have surfaces kind of moving around and things. But you can also do that on purpose. You can grab them and move them to force a twist. So that's another way you can make twisted things. You can make 2 hexagons offset from each other and then have it go corner to corner. Things like that. You can also, maybe on this top one, instead of having that, you just have the point. Now when I create my loft, I can go here to the point. And then I can also control kind of how it's shaped. So it's sharp pointed, or if it's got a tangent point. So now I can make kind of, changing the weight of it, I can change kind of how it's going to balloon up there. If I erase that and go from here to here to here, and do the same thing. And so it's always going to go from here through here. This middle one is always going to be tangent. So you're not going to get any options for in between planes. Bottom one here, I can also tell it to be, I can tell it direction, but I can tell it kind of which direction I want that to be. Or if I have a, my body already started, and now I do Loft, I can go from the top surface there, there, and down at here, I can tell it to be tangent to the surfaces that are coming next to it, that's coming off of. And for that, I can tell it how much weight. So if I tell it like 0.5, it's going to bring it down. So I can kind of adjust how heavy weighted that tangent is as it goes up. Then I can add rails to help control the overall shape of it and stuff. We might get more to that. Right now, I just want you to kind of play with it. One real common thing for Loft, though, like probably the thing that I use it for the most, if I need to cut like the corner off of something, I can create a sketch here, draw a line, dimension and whatever, and then I can create a loft from there to go. Right. A point there. I can create a loft from that surface to that work point. Cut that whole section off. Or I can have bigger cut on this side, but maybe whether it's parallel or not. If it's not parallel, it'll still cut. Oh, so it's still that other first. There. But that surface isn't flat. It looks like it's a flat surface, but I can't sketch on it because it's not flat. Got a little twist to it. If I went here, make it more apparent. Now you can see the twist in it. Got some twist on it. Like if you took a piece of paper and you bent it, that's what we're doing. So it's not a flat surface. Look at that. But if I wanted that to be an actual flat surface, then on this one, I could project that line, make a construction. Now make those two parallel.
Oh, okay.
And now that's a flat surface that I can sketch on.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But I could do that. So like colors, fan blades, stuff like that. Erase all that. I can create a sketch here and make it easy. Angle. There. I can make a plane out here somewhere. Draw something in the middle there. Okay. Then I just do my circular pattern of that loft around that. And I don't want the sharp corners out there, so draw a circle up here. Draw a circle from there, out past it, then there, then project that edge. So let's do tangent. Cut that all the way down. Now my edges are perfectly there. Or if I wanted to make it like a ducted fan, now I can extrude there. I'll have to join it like that. Now I've got that. Okay. So that's how we can make fan blades. And whether they're straight at the ends or if they're curved at the end, or one could be straight and the other one curved, to make your fan blade. That's how we can make things like that. Make sense? So that's a real common use of loft, is things like that. Any other questions?